When you search for the best car headrest tablet mount, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really know which one works best for those long road trips, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Lamicall Car Headrest Holder. The Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder caught my eye right away, priced at $16.99. This one promises to be a lifesaver for keeping kids entertained on long drives. If you want a sturdy mount that keeps your tablet secure and accessible, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product stands out. It features a unique biaxial extension arm, which means you can adjust the viewing angle easily, perfect for avoiding neck strain during long journeys. It holds devices between 4.7 to 11 inches, compatible with popular models like the iPad Pro and Galaxy Tab. The installation is super simple, taking less than 5 seconds with no tools needed. Now, some users have mentioned that it might not fit all headrest types, especially if your car has a unique design. Here's the thing though, most standard headrests are compatible, so unless you drive something unusual, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking to keep kids entertained on long road trips without sacrificing your own comfort. Skip this one if your car's headrest setup is unusually shaped, but overall, the value here is fantastic. Product number 2, LISEN Car Tablet Mount. Next up is the LISEN for iPad holder, priced at $15.99. This one's made for those family road trips where keeping the kids occupied is key. If you want a reliable and adjustable holder that works well for toddlers, this is worth a serious look. What makes this mount a great choice is its tri-axis adjustability, meaning you can easily rotate and tilt it to find the best viewing angle for your little ones. Designed for devices between 4.7 to 11 inches, it holds your tablet securely, reducing distractions for the driver. With 9,400 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among parents. But if you drive a standard vehicle, you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free way to entertain kids during travel. Skip this one if you have a vehicle that doesn't meet the compatibility requirements, but for the price, it's definitely a solid investment. Product number 3, Lamicall Foldable Tablet Clip. Moving on, we have the Lamicall Foldable Tablet Clip priced at $17.99. This product is perfect if you want something that can easily retract when not in use. If you need a compact and easy-to-store option, this is worth a serious look. The foldable design allows it to be stowed away without blocking passenger space. The installation is tool-free and takes just seconds, and it boasts an impressive 4.7-star rating from 1,100 reviews. The stability during bumpy rides is also a big plus here. Some users have complained about it feeling a bit bulky when extended. However, I think it's a fair trade-off for the stability and flexibility it offers. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and want a reliable tablet holder that doesn't take up much space. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight to carry around without any bulk. Product number 4, Boccolino Tablet Holder. Next, we have the Boccolino Tablet Holder priced at $14.99. This one really shines for families who want entertainment for everyone during long trips. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this is worth a serious look. The upgraded adjustable extension arm allows for easy positioning between seats, which is perfect when sharing a screen. It holds devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches securely, thanks to its rubber protection and sturdy design. With 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it has a good reputation. However, some users mentioned it can take a little longer to install compared to others. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's easy to set up for every trip. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable tablet holder without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that installs in a flash. Product number 5, FANGOR Car Headrest Mount Holder. Lastly, we have the FANGOR Car Headrest Mount Holder priced at just $8.49. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. This mount fits all 7 to 12.9-inch tablets and features an upgraded elastic strap that keeps your device securely in place, no matter how bumpy the ride gets. It's incredibly portable and easy to install, making it a great companion for on-the-go families. With 10,100 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clearly doing something right. On the downside, some users reported that it doesn't work well with thicker tablets due to the rubber holding net. But for standard devices, this should be a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and straightforward solution for keeping kids entertained in the backseat. Skip this one if your tablet is unusually bulky or has a large case. So there you have it. We covered 5 great car headrest tablet mounts: the Lamicol, LISEN, another Lamicol, Boccolino, and FANGOR. Each of these has unique strengths, so think about what features matter most to you. Whether you need something compact, adjustable, or budget-friendly, there's an option here for every family road trip.